Yes, I have a free Hooponopono video course. Yes, if you are confused about Hooponopono, a lot of things around in the internet, if you are looking for more peace, happiness, abundance, you are at the right place. I have traveled and presented seminars with Dr. Ihaliaka Lahulen for over 10 years. I used to be a tax accountant. This changed my life. And yes, I let go of everything to be able to teach Hooponopono. This is the only thing I've been practicing for over 20 years, and I'm here to share it with you. Now more than ever, Hooponopono is very important for the times that we are living, because when we change, everything changes. You do Hooponopono, whatever gets erased from you, it gets erased from everybody. Sign up now. Remember, it is free and it can change your life.